If you stand in front of a mirror and raise your right hand, the image formed in the mirror raises its left hand. Why is it so? Do you know that it is one of the properties of the plane mirror? Let's learn more about the images formed by a plane mirror. Our objective is to study the nature of an image formed in a plane mirror. We all use a mirror every day to see how we look. You know that we can see our images in the mirror. Let us now study about the nature of the image formed in a plane mirror. Place a candle in front of a plane mirror. There seems to be another candle placed behind the mirror. The candle placed in front of the mirror is the object, and the candle which appears to be placed behind the mirror is the image formed. Observing the image, we find that the flame is on top of the candle. This means that the image formed is upright. Now, if you shift the candle a little, the image also moves. You will find that the image is always upright. Such an image is called an erect image. Hence, the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect. Place a screen behind the mirror. Does the image of the candle appear on the screen? No, it doesn't. Now, place the screen between the mirror and the candle. Does the image of the candle appear on the screen this time? Even this time, the image of the candle does not appear on the screen. Hence, the image formed in a plane mirror can never be obtained on a screen. Such an image is called a virtual image. Now, place the mirror on a chessboard with an object in front of it. You can see the image of the object being formed in the mirror. Count the number of squares between the mirror and the object. There are 2 squares. Similarly, note the position of the image in the mirror. It is at the same distance as the object is from the mirror. Place the object at different distances from the mirror and each time note the distance of the image from the mirror. You can see that the image formed is always at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Let us now see an interesting fact related to the image formed in a plane mirror. Stand in front of the mirror. You can see your image formed in it. Now, lift your right hand. Which hand seems to be raised in the image? It seems as if the left hand is raised. Again, lift your left hand and observe your image formed in the mirror. This time, it seems as if your right hand is raised. This is called lateral inversion. Hence, the image formed in a plane mirror is always laterally inverted. Thus, we have seen that the image formed in a plane mirror is erect, virtual, at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it, and laterally inverted. To summarize, a plane mirror forms a virtual, erect, and laterally inverted image of an object. So you have now learnt about the image formed by plane mirrors. Have you ever noticed the image formed in a curved mirror? How do the image formation differ in curved mirrors as compared to plane mirrors? Stay tuned to explore.